The points data panel allows me to manage points in my project. I've opened up the points data panel on the left-hand side of my screen, and currently it's allowing me to review all the points on my project. If I want to highlight a particular point, I can actually pick it off the screen, and when I select the point, then it jumps to it in the points list, and it allows me to either edit it or stake it. If I just touch away from the points panel, then it clears that setting. Currently, I'm reviewing all the points in the project, but if I want to, I can add a filter. And so here I'll filter by a code, and I'll tell it to show me only points with the code of road. And so once I set up the filter, I hit apply, and now we see we're only looking at 7 of the points in the project. Another neat feature with that is when you've got a filter set up, if you zoom to extents, then it will only show you the filtered points instead of the whole project. If I want to go back in, I can clear my filter, and now I'm back to looking at all the points. We can also get into more detail by picking down in the bottom left corner. You can see we've got the full screen icon. So that'll open up, and now I've got a much more detailed listing on each of the points. So I've got the point classification, I've got whether or not it's part of a figure, I've got the point ID, the code, the XYZ coordinates, and if I pick on the extended options button here, I have the option of either editing or deleting that point record. And that's all I've got to tell you about the points panel. Thank you.